In this video, I will show you how to change the internal batteries in a Chrysler PT Cruiser key fob. This key fob here was used on PT Cruisers between 2001 and 2005, and it takes two CR 2016 batteries. Super easy to change the batteries yourself at home, just follow along. You can get a couple of these online. I will give you a link down in the description to get them on Amazon. And then other than that, it's super simple. First, we're going to find this little slot on the side of the key fob. Next, we're going to take a tool, like a flathead screwdriver, insert it in there, and just turn it like a key. Turning it like that, you can see we've just made a little opening between the two halves of the key fob. Now I'm going to insert and continue twisting until it comes apart easily with my fingers. Now we're just going to remove, these are two batteries stacked on top of each other. I find the easiest way is to see the seam or the bottom of the first battery, just get under there with your fingernail. You could also carefully use your flathead screwdriver. We're just going to get under and lift, and it just pops out. And then you can just pull it out the rest of the way. Set that aside. Now here, it could be a little bit tricky. I like to push down on one side. You can see how the other side comes up. And then again with your tool or your fingernail, in my case, just lift it up. It comes right out, just like that. Go ahead and take your two new CR 2016 batteries. Make sure this positive side goes face up. Click it into place. Get your next one, positive side, face up, right on top of it, click it into place. Really easy. And we just click these two pieces back together, and that's it, all done. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment or give us a like. And for more information on changing the batteries in your key fobs for any make or model, go ahead and check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel or visit fobbattery.com. Thank you so much for watching.